Okay, today we got a little interesting little project on the go, something you don't do very often. Last year here in High River we had a big flood, and the water levels came up here around the windows of Gord's house here, about a foot above the carport here. So what we're doing today is we're putting a curb around the windows so that just in case some kind of flood comes along again, that the water can't get in the windows and the water can't get down the basement. So we got this one formed up. A little angle cut off the corner so Gord can get his senior's cart out through the gate there. And basically it's just a 4-inch wide form. We got a little bit of rebar in there. We got it doweled and epoxied into the slab so that this thing can't move. And today we're busy mixing up a few bags of cement and pouring it in to finish off these curbs. At the back door here, we're gonna, in case a flood comes along, Gord's gonna screw that piece of plywood over the door, which is down as low as same as those windows. So we've mounted some pieces of 2x4 either side and a strip of wood along the bottom to screw that plywood to. And that should stop water from getting through that doorway. Over on the deck here, there used to be an old window that was covered by the deck. There wasn't any light coming through it, so we just formed both sides, and the little, what you see on top there is a little plywood hopper to get the cement into the wall, and just fill that window in with cement. So that window's abandoned now. And here's a window we poured here last week. This is where the ground level was lowest around the window, and so we had about a 2-foot high curb to pour around that. So the water's going to get in there now unless it comes over the top, gets even a bigger flood. They say last year's flood was a 500-year flood, so who knows when the next big flood's going to come. But Gord's all ready for it now.
Home improvement and beyond. We're making your dreams a reality, whether it's custom homes, home renovations, office interiors, or project management. Call us now, 403-837-8082. Serving your construction needs in the High River, Okotoks, Black Diamond area.